You got the touch. You got the power.
Impossible.
Yeah!
Timeless gave you the Matrix.
We could have built the future together.
I'll build it myself after I tear down everyone in my way. Yes!
Said and done. You never walk, you never run. You're a winner. Got the moves, you know the street. With the rules, take the heat. You're nobody's fool. You're at your best when the going gets rough. You've been to the test, but you never enough. You got the touch. You got the power. When our hearts break loose, you'll be right in the eye of the storm. You got the heart. You got the motion. You know I can think. You got the touch. You never bend, you never break. You seem to know just what it takes. You're it's in the blood, it's in the will, it's in the mighty hands of steel. When you're standing your ground, and you never get hit when your back's to the wall. Gonna fight to the end, and you're taking it all.
We were given the power to change our world, and you chose to destroy it. Just like Sentinel, you have betrayed Cybertron and its citizens. And you betrayed me. Go. Take the High Guard and leave. You are banished from Iacon. It didn't have to end this way.
This isn't over, Prime.